Hey everybody. I just did a post letting you guys know that I won't be doing a video tomorrow as planned. I was planning to do a Shein video, but I just had to put my cat to rest. And I'm just not in a good space to do a video. And I don't want to cry on camera, but when I tell y'all my heart is broken, I had that cat since 2006, and as much as she got on my nerve, I'm certainly gonna miss her. So I'll be back next week with a full video for you guys. I may vlog tomorrow. We're going to see the Tina Turner musical, so I may vlog that. I don't know. But in any event, I just wanted to let you guys know why I won't be uploading a video tomorrow. I just left the emergency vet place to have her euthanized. And I put it on the community page as well. So I'm just really, 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 really sad. You know, for those of you that have pets or have had pets, I'm sure you can understand. And it's just not easy. And I have did this now. This will be my 4th cat that has passed. And it's just always hard. So the the place where we went, this is what they give you after they euthanize them. And they gave me her little paw print. I don't know if you can see that. So she was cremated, and yeah. So they asked me, this is her name and the day that she passed. So they asked me, did I want her ashes? And I did not want the ashes. So in any event, that's how my weekend has started off. Just unbelievably sad. So like I said, I'll come back on. I'll come back on one day next week and talk to you all and tell you about the Tina Turner musical. So yeah. All right, y'all. Have a great weekend.